Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello there. In this video, I will show how to make elderberry jelly. Making your own elderberry jelly is a truly rewarding experience, allowing you to savor the unique, rich flavor of these berries. We'll walk through each step, from preparing the fruit to sealing your jars, ensuring you create a delightful treat. Get ready to transform fresh elderberries into a sweet, spreadable delight that's perfect for toast or gifts. To begin, you'll need about 3 pounds of ripe elderberries, which yields approximately 3 cups of juice. You'll also need 4.5 cups of granulated sugar, 1 standard 1 3/4 ounce package of powdered fruit pectin, and 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice. A 1/4 teaspoon of butter can help reduce foaming. For equipment, have a large pot, a potato masher, a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth, and 5 to 6 half-pint canning jars ready. First, thoroughly wash and destem your elderberries. Aim for about 8 to 10 cups of berries. Place them in a large pot with half a cup of water. Bring the mixture to a simmer, then reduce heat and cook for 10 to 15 minutes, mashing the berries frequently to extract their juice. Next, strain the cooked berries through a fine mesh sieve or several layers of cheesecloth into a clean bowl. Ensure you measure exactly 3 cups of this vibrant elderberry juice. Now for the exciting part. In a large pot, combine your 3 cups of elderberry juice, the pectin, and 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Bring this mixture to a full rolling boil, stirring constantly. Quickly add the 4.5 cups of sugar, stirring until dissolved, and return to a hard rolling boil for exactly 1 minute. Remove from heat, skim any foam, and ladle the hot jelly into sterilized half-pint jars, leaving 1/4 inch of headspace. Process the sealed jars in a boiling water bath for 5 to 10 minutes to ensure a proper seal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.